Hello, I'm Troy Bockelmann with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. You are free to gain more with Bovitec from Zoetis. Increase average daily gain without compromising feed efficiency or a step-up program. Choose to gain more with Bovitec. Visit cattlefeedadditives.com today. Carcass weights, along with slaughter, determine the overall tonnage that is produced by the industry, and changes in one or the other can impact the cattle market. Currently, steer carcass weights are a modest 2 pounds lighter than the same week a year ago, with a year-to-date average that is 5 pounds softer than 2018 levels. Winter weather, strong basis, increased input costs, and an overall strong cattle prices encouraged movement from the feed yard to the packer, and the feed yard sector was considered current. As a result, 2019 had the fourth largest weight decline from January 1st on record. 2003, 2017, and 2018 are the only years with larger weight declines. The 2019 seasonal low for steer carcass weights occurred at 842 pounds, which was a 5.7% decrease from January 1st. Carcass weights seasonally move higher into the fall before leveling off or moving slightly lower into the year's end. The typical increase from the carcass weight low would put a seasonal high in the fall of the year around 905 pounds. Some factors that could influence carcass weights are building of front-end supply, packer and feedlot profitability, basis levels, feeding conditions, and corn price, to name a few. With premiums built into the deferred live cattle futures, weights could move higher than the average suggests as producers look to feed to the premiums. Yet, increased corn costs and slaughter capacity, stretched thin, could limit the incentives to feed longer. The cattle feeding industry is considered current today. That is, cattle are marketed in the time period placed against. It'll be important to watch weights and slaughter levels to help determine the underlying tone of the market. If carcass weights increase more than the current expectations, the additional beef production could pressure the market, and the opposite is also true if carcass weights are lighter than what is expected. Lighter weights also indicate that cattle are being marketed aggressively, and this could support the fed cattle market. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the volatility is extreme, the risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team, with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.